I tried using these 10440 batteries into this right here, but it like blew out, and now it only works to about 7 lumens, even when I put like a Duracell in. But yep, so now we know these batteries do not work with this. They are not compatible. They would burn it out. I should have known that because I was putting 2 in instead of 1, but silly me, and I messed up the light, but it's still nice. It still shines a little bit. Let's try and turn the light off so we can really see how much it shines. Like, it'll do something, but it's just nowhere near it was before. So that's just a bummer. I think this will still do something cool and a little bit durable.